Hello there. Today I'm going to help you stay safe online by teaching you how to spot phishing scams. Phishing is when cybercriminals try to trick you into giving them your personal information. But don't worry, after watching this video, you'll be a pro at spotting these scams. First off, check the sender's email address. Phishers often use addresses that look similar to legitimate ones but have slight misspellings or extra characters. If something seems off, it's probably a scam. Next, look at the greeting. Legitimate companies usually address you by your name. If you see a generic "Dear user" or "Dear customer," be cautious. Now, let's talk about links. Hover over any link in the email without clicking. This will show you the actual URL. If the URL looks suspicious or doesn't match the supposed sender's website, don't click it. Phishing emails often create a sense of urgency. They might say your account will be locked or you need to act immediately. Take a moment to breathe and think. Real companies don't usually operate like that. Look out for poor grammar and spelling mistakes. Many phishing scams originate from non-native English speakers and can contain numerous errors. If an email is riddled with mistakes, be on high alert. Lastly, never give out personal information through email. Banks, social media sites, and other services will never ask for sensitive information this way, so there you have it. By keeping these tips in mind, you can avoid falling victim to phishing scams and keep your personal information safe. Stay vigilant and happy browsing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Stay safe online.